This is Collective Learning AI, a new kind of platform built around a simple idea that careers and learning should grow together, collectively, intelligently, over time, where expertise lives and grows. Collective minds, individual futures. Collective learning rests on 3 pillars: career development, upskilling on demand, and AI literacy. 3 pillars, running through everything we do, connecting to everything else. Together, they define how individuals grow and how workforces are shaped in an AI-enabled world. We have 2 breakthrough platforms, Expert Village and the Interactive Learning Platform. Both share a single underlying intelligence. Expert Village is the home of our expert agents, a persistent ecosystem backed by the general intelligence, mapping careers and identifying skill gaps at the level of an individual, an organisation, or a government. The Interactive Learning Platform is where those same agents come to teach. Structured courses, live throughout the session, not a course, a conversation. The Village is not just a product, it is the intelligence layer beneath everything. A living knowledge graph, continuously updated as the world of work evolves, shared by every agent and accessible by every learner. When your career path crosses disciplines, the agents collaborate. They transfer your user DNA, pool their expertise, and produce integrated guidance that no single agent could generate alone. Together, the residents, the data science agent, the business analyst agent, the AI engineer agent, the cybersecurity agent, and many more, build career plans that no single expert ever could. This is the Village. And this is what the Village looks like. Not a metaphor, a structured architecture. Each discipline has its own village. To give you a few examples, a village for computer science, a village for electrical engineering, a village for health and bio, a village for sustainability, and many more across every discipline our platform covers. At the centre, connecting them all, the general intelligence. A knowledge graph shared across every village, every agent, every learner. Here is how it works. We first build your user DNA, your professional persona across knowledge, skills, creativity, and soft skills. Then you meet our expert agents, each a subject matter resident of the Village. They deliver interactive courses shaped by your goals and your pace. And as you learn, your profile grows, collectively, with the help of every agent you interact with. The loop never stops. In the Interactive Learning Platform, the agent delivering your lesson is live and interactive throughout. It is not a pre-recorded video. The agent knows your user DNA, your learning history, and your career goals, and responds with answers tailored specifically to you. You can ask about content, about study planning, about how a skill connects to your career, about anything. The agents are there to help. Your user DNA is not a snapshot. It is a time-aware, evidence-backed representation of your professional identity across every capability dimension. Knowledge, skills, creativity, soft skills, AI literacy, updated by every course you complete, every skill you demonstrate, every assessment you pass. Over time, the Village can come back and give you the story of the things you have learned, or knowledge graphs you once held but have since lost, back to you as a narrative, not a profile, a living biography. Now let us see this in practice. Imagine you are a registered user and you want to grow. Once inside, the first thing you can do is explore the role catalogue. Today the catalogue covers computer science, over 100 roles within this single discipline, each one mapped to the skills that compose it. Filter by domain, by seniority, by the skills you already have or want. Each role connects to the same skill clusters that define your user DNA, the same dimensions our agents teach against. This is how a career can be planned, not as a single job, but as a structured map of skills. We begin with computer science. Engineering, healthcare, business and design follow soon. Every discipline our villages cover. Now let us pick an agent to actually work with. The agents are organised by domain, by their expertise. Today we are focusing on data science. We meet Atlas, the data science agent. We start the assessment. Step 1. Upload your CV. Atlas reads it, learns your background, prepares for the conversation.
Hi, I'm Atlas, your data science mentor. I can help you two ways: upskill in your current role or build the narrative for your career development together. Which would you like to start with?
We ask Atlas to identify what we should learn next.
Looking at your CV, you're top rated in SQL and ETL pipeline design, middle on Python and A/B testing, and I see gaps in machine learning and Bayesian inference. We can go two ways from here. I can ask Q&A to confirm the middle items, or you can pick one of the gaps and I'll point you at a course. Which sounds better?
And of course, you can speak to it directly.
I'd like to pick a gap.
Now Atlas helps us close the biggest gap. It explains, it teaches, and it points us to a starting course.
All right, let's address the gap in machine learning. To get started, what's the intuition behind cross-validation?
I have no idea what's the cross-validation.
That's okay. I can help you gain machine learning model families.
Can you teach me?
Let's start with the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course. It covers the foundations of machine learning, including model families. It's a great place to start. The course link is in the panel.
You open the recommended course.
It is wonderful to see so many of you here today, and I want to start by saying something genuinely meant. Thank you for being here.
And the agent stays with you, live. You can ask two kinds of questions. The first, questions about the content itself.
What puts them in the same category as the highest form of human intelligence?
Hi, can you give me a real-world example?
Absolutely. Bio-inspired robotics are a great example. These machines move and adapt like living organisms, using AI to sense and respond to their surroundings. This demonstrates how AI is now interacting with the physical world, not just processing data digitally.
The second, questions beyond the course itself, about your career, about your time, about what to study next.
How should I divide this lesson to 10-minute sessions?
To divide the lesson into 10-minute sessions, break it into key sections. Start with the introduction and context, then cover examples of cognitive intelligence like self-driving cars and AI tutors, and finish with generative intelligence. Each session should focus on one main idea, allowing time for discussion or questions before moving to the next topic.
Behind everything we've shown you, every agent, every course, every recommendation, sits one structure. We call it the general intelligence. It is a knowledge graph. Every skill, every concept, every role, every learner, connected, weighted, evolving. The general intelligence is the main core of the village. Every agent draws from it. Every course updates it. Every learner contributes to it. It is the foundation. It is what makes collective learning possible. Two breakthrough platforms. One, collective intelligence. A village of expert agents working together, on you, for you. Visit collectivelearning.ai to learn more or join the waitlist. Collective minds, individual futures.